Hello and welcome to Nomad Sculpt. This is a small mini series on creating some simple money game assets for like a 3D game that you want. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the sketch that we have here and build out each little asset one by one. It's gonna be all in this one file, and then we're going to export it to like Blender or into Blender, and then do some magic there. But we could actually just do it all here as well, because I think you can do UV unwrapping and what's it called, painting, stuff like that. So yeah, we're going to do it all in Nomad Sculpt, but later I can also show you how to also do it from Nomad Sculpt to Blender. So we could just create the assets themselves and then you do the UV unwrapping and texture painting in Blender. But anyway, sorry, I'm getting far ahead of myself. We're gonna create each asset one at a time in 3 to 5 minute videos. And I'll show you how to UV unwrap and paint it too. This is just for this mini series, no Blender involved. I might make another one, pretty much doing the same thing, or at the end of this little mini series, I'll add an extra video and show you how to take all of this, put it in Blender, and then do the UV unwrapping and texturing there. But yeah, okay, let's get started. All right, so we're on Nomad Sculpt. We've created a new file. We deleted the little circle, the sphere that was here, and now we're gonna create little, what do you call it, bar of gold. So we're gonna keep it simple. All right, we're gonna do a box, and we're gonna stretch this out because we kind of want to cut it here in like 30 to 45 degree angles from each side. So validate, go to the mirror here and make sure that it's in local, because we're focusing on the local geometry. Then go here to trim, select line, and then select where you want it to start. So if we pick right at the corner here, there we are. We cut this like that, and we make our bar of gold. So you see all this weird geometry. The way we fix it is by just hitting voxel, and it'll fix it for us. So one thing you do notice is, oh, yeah, sorry about that. Tab, is that it's a little off. It looks really, really thin. So go down here to the Gizmo, and then on the, I guess, blue axis here, just stretch it out, go to top. So there we have it, our bar of gold. Since I did say we were gonna do the UV unwrapping and then some painting, let's do that. So go up here where it says multi-resolution here, the options, and do the settings over here, and then put UV unwrap. So we're under 100K vertices, so it'll be easy to UV unwrap. All right, and then just give it a minute or two. Oh, and there we are. So let's take off our picture or reference image for a second. You see, that's our UV unwrap, and while that works fine, in most instances it's really kind of over the place, but it has great resolution. Everything's kind of evenly distributed, so you won't get any weird distortions if you, like, let's say, take this to Unity or whatever game creations game creation thing you want. Oh, sorry. All right, then let's do some painting. So come over here and select paint. Then we're gonna go down here where it says paint all or paint intensity, and we're gonna select like the gold right here, this one. All right, that's good. And then we're just gonna say force paint all. And then so we can see it better, we're gonna do matte cap or unit, and that'll show you like this is painted gold. PBR has that gold texture. One thing we could do to fix this up a little bit is use the smooth tool right here, make the radius a little bigger. Right. Make sure symmetry is still on. So okay. Kind of brings out the gold effect here. All right, and then let's do the edges here too. All right, and there we have it, our gold bar, UV unwrapped and painted. So we can use this as an asset right off the bat. And then let me show you how you can export this. So go to the file here, and then export as GIF, or you can export it as an object or STL. It really depends on whether like you're trying to import it into Blender, like Unity, Unreal Engine. It's something you need to look up. But yeah, hope this helps, and let's continue in the next video, building more money assets for your games, 3D games. So yeah, thank you for listening, and until next time.